Good afternoon, madam. I'm Naavind Balan from RY31. Metric card number is 2112911019. So today I want to present about the lab test. So just only I done the part. So over here my name and then metric card number. So for the task is by using the PowerWorld software. So I already insert from this question the XYZ need to consider by our metric number. So my metric number is 019. So after I get 019, I will base on this 0 to change that x equals to 1. So 1, and then the y and z is 1 9. So x is 1, y is 1, and z is 9. So by substituting into these three where this value, so I will get like this. So for the calculation part, verify the simulation results with the pre-calculation result. So calculation for the x, y, z, I get 019, and then I change to 119. So by substituting the value, these are the circuit. So for the base 1 is 33 kV, and the base 2 is 119 k, and then for the base 3 is 11k. So just substitute by using the formula 33 119k, and then 11k divided by the s base. So I will get this value. After that, need to times with 0.1 times with the value. I will get 0.1 pu, 0.1 pu, and then for the x line 100 over the value over here, where z base 2. So I will get like 0.5649 pu. So after that I will substituting the value of 11 kV and then 15 space. So I will get around this value. Okay, so after that, for providing the each result in the programming, I already run the circuit. So my circuit is on this side. So I will substitute every each value. So for here I will 33, and then 119 119 kilo, and then here is 11. So after I run the value, I will get around for approximate around 118, something like this. Okay, for the simulation result, for the result I will get like mm, phone எடுத்துருங்கப்பா. Okay, okay, so for the simulation part, for the simulation part mm, mm, and then simulation. Okay, for the simulation, okay, I will get the nominal 33k 119 as I mentioned as my metric number, and then 11k. So the value will be like this, around 1, because they got stepped down a bit losses over that days. So not everyone will be getting the same value. So these are the losses. After the losses, we'll get like this value. So after that, the value will be for the load, and then the gen angle will be like this. Okay, for the table I already inserted here the values, each of every value. And then for the discussion, the experiment, draw on the circuit, the generator and the transformer can be solved for the complex power delivery and by the generator from the single line diagram. And then the calculator per unit also have been done. So I will draw the impedance diagram before starting the experiment. After the pre-calculation, the circuit change simulation will run mode and run the circuit. Result were recorded as the photo already inserted. So over here the lab test carried out determine the per unit value experiment, which system given the simulation by using the power also solve the complex power derivative generated from the single line diagram and maintaining the voltage. That's all. Thank you.